This is a quick tutorial about how CodeHS works. So once you are logged in, it's going to look a little different than mine because I am in the teacher view. But you can see all of my STEAM 101 students are currently entered into the course. So looking at a student view right now, you can see the Intro to Computer Science JavaScript course has been assigned to you, and you will be going step by step through each piece, starting with the pre-test and moving on. Now, there's different ways that I can track your progress in this course. So first off, I could look at how much time you spend on each assignment during this course. So, if you're really struggling or having issues, I can take a look and see how long you've been working on that assignment and offer some additional help. I can also look at the assessments that I've assigned to you or the assignments and see if you have completed them. I have it set to auto grade in the gradebook. You can see here right now, everyone's starting off at 0%. But as you complete each tutorial, it will auto grade it for you and give you a grade. I have also given due dates for each assignment. So I know that people will work at their own pace, some much faster than others, but there are specific due dates that you'll need to look out for and make sure you're completing the tutorials on time. We won't be finishing the entire course this quarter, although I do encourage it. If you are moving fast enough through the tutorials, just keep going, and thank you very much.